Film.
It's time for a photo showdown! Profoto Beauty Dish or Octa Softbox. Which of these two gladiators of light will reign victorious?
Okay, so we're trying out the Profoto Beauty Dish here, which we have up there with the D2 strobes. So we're going to try that out. We've got a model here. We've got a couple different backgrounds set up, so let's see what happens. So the Beauty Dish is going to give you a little bit harsher light, but it's going to give you really nice chiseled shadows. So we're going to try that out. We also have a softbox. We have the 3-foot Octa Softbox, and we're going to try that out too. So kind of compare the difference between the Beauty Dish and the softbox. So let's see. So now we're going to try out the Softbox. This is the 3-foot Octa Softbox. So we're going to see what that looks like. In this photo, we did a little something different. We actually bounced one of the strobes off of our cycle, which created a large white reflection onto the talent. And then we used a small tungsten light to really define a crisp shape of light on her eyes. Behind the model, we have a 2x3 softbox with some red gel on it to give a colorful edge light and spice up the shot a bit.
So we're here with Mel Marie doing some glamour shots. We've done Wolverine. We're gonna do some post-apocalyptic type of stuff. We did a shotgun. I want to use the crossbow.
Yes.
Yes. And some cat ears. Oh, caution tape. Maybe caution tape and cat ears at the same time.
Okay, I like it. It's a cross-genre kind of
Yeah,
thing.
you know, and of course the crazy
country
makeup.
music and hip-hop.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Hey, I'm Natalie Pitcher, and we're just here shooting for Film Jams. We did some pose, different lighting, playing around with some different settings and things, and I did a posed cop shot, pretty badass looking. And also did nice little glamour shots as well, yeah. Just trying out a softbox and a beauty dish and trying to see the difference between the two.
To show off the difference between the two setups, we took 2 photos of Natalie using the same camera settings on the same backdrop. The photo taken with the Beauty Dish has a more defined contrast and creates sharper shadows. The photo taken using the Softbox is, well, softer and has less defined shadows, creating a more even tone. As you can see, both the Beauty Dish and the Octa Softbox can be used to create some really high quality photos. Which one do you like better? The more crisp shadows of the Beauty Dish or the soft, more even light from the Softbox? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content.